Ayan, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandito tayo sa Imbisia sa Paticol, Sulu. O, diba? So, papasok tayo doon. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show.
Good day everyone! Now let's go to Imbisia Beach in Paticol, Sulu. Imbisia Beach is now a thriving tourist spot in Barangay Tandubagwa, was once an uninhabited island but has transformed into a place where dreams and aspirations are realized.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board.
Coffee kami. Ayan. Bang.
So we've finished our breakfast and let's proceed to our destination. So we are in Paticol. Paticol is a municipality in the province of Sulu, Philippines. The provincial capital and offices are located in this municipality. Paticol is politically subdivided into 30 barangays. Each barangay consists of puruks while some have sitios.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly for the sky on your mind.
Finally, we are here in Imbithia Beach. Now, let's explore and enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Oh, bibili ako juice. Oh. Oh. Yan, ikaw na.
Bakit?
Hindi ako mahilig dyan. May kambing ka. I will love you for the rest of my life. We may not always be together, but I promise we'll grow old together. Ang galing, oh. Ayan, I love Imbithia. Ang ganda ng ano. Yusra! Ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng tubig. Ayan, oh. Yay! Ang puti ng ano, white sand. White sand, ang puti ng white sand. Ano yun? White sand. Ano ba? Ang ganda. Yan ang Sulu. Ang ganda ng beach nila dito. Oh, meron pang maganda?
3% lang napunta natin dito sa Sulu.
Oh.
Hindi mo pa napuntahan yung mga magaganda.
Oh, sabi ni Alhaj marami pa daw akong hindi napuntahan.
Dito.
Namamasyal kami.
Alam mo kung may damit sana siya nadala natin.
Oh. Wala eh, hayaan mo na, wag mo nang anuhin siya kasi ano.
Hello guys, sa ngayon po nandito kami sa Lab Imbithia. Dito po sa Sulu, sa Lab Imbithia. Ito po yung lugar namin ay bagong ginawa yung Imbithia na to, no? Lab Imbithia dahil ito po yung pinupuntahan namin. Pero maganda dito minsan magpa-relax. Kaya dinala ko dito si Jamralia para lang makita niya yung Sulu, no? Kung kumusta yung kalagayan ng Sulu.
Mami.
So yan guys, kanina po ay
Open daw.
dumaan kami doon sa bukid, doon sa Danag, no? So napunta namin yung lugar na yun, malamig, no? So Napakalamig doon, parang Baguio yun. Forever yun siya. Never change yung ano nito, yung weather doon. Malamig siya. Yun, na ngayon, nandito naman kami sa Lab MBT. So, kasama namin si Yusra. Kasi mamayang gabi yung alis niya papuntang Bacolod to Maynila. Alright, yun guys. Maraming salamat po.
Bye.
It is really cool.
Yeah, swimming.
I like swimming pool.
You want to, you like swimming? It's nice, huh?
Yes.
Sulu is a part of the Sulu archipelago which stretches from the tip of the Zamboanga Peninsula on the north to the island of Borneo in the south. The main island and its islets are situated between the island provinces of Basilan to the northeast and Tawi-Tawi to the southwest. Sulu is bordered by two seas, the Sulu Sea to the north and the Celebes Sea to its south.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're smiling on top of the
If you wanna visit Sulu, Philippines, just contact their tourism office. You have to tell them what you plan to do in Sulu and they would not only help you work your way there, they would help you with your whole stay as well. They will help you arrange your itinerary, may it be just a tour around the municipality of Hulu or island hopping around the nearby islands. Maintain contact with your tour guide. Wait for him inside the ferry before heading out. Abide by their rules. If your tour guide tells you that you aren't allowed to go to a certain place or do something you aren't supposed to, then don't. Follow their dress code. While not technically prohibited, it's best you avoid wearing short and skimpy clothes while you are there, as respect to the people of the community. By doing this, you'd not only respect their unwritten rule about wearing appropriate clothes, you'd also refrain from attracting unnecessary attention. So I hope that you will enjoy your visit in Sulu in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day, everyone.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.